Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and this is a nice little bonus video I decided to film. So we're going to randomize our sorting hat savings. So we saved $632. This took us from November of 25 to August of 26. So we have 5 categories. This little randomizer is from Anna at Anna Banana Budgets, and it comes with 8, but we only have 5 that we're going to be, oh my god. You guys, my life is a hot mess. Okay. We have 5 categories that we're going to randomize into. Let me get our sort quick on the fingers so it can help a little bit, hopefully. We have 632. This is probably going to take a hot minute, so I do apologize. Play it on 0.2 speed, whatever. Or I might speed it up a little bit, because at some point I'm just gonna lose the things to talk about, you know what I mean? So, all right, so we have cards that will tell us what die we're gonna use to save. So I have my dice tower and we have all of our dice over here. So we're just gonna start with, oh, and these are colored. So we have green is a D20. So, all right, so we got $3. So we're gonna put 3 on green. And these come with cards of D3 to D20. So purple is 6. And we will have to come through and do some cash condensing as well. So we have a D8. And I did think about maybe possibly just taking out the lower ones, but we haven't gotten there yet. Okay, 12, nice, I'll take it. And then we'll see how, oh, another 12. We'll see how it saves us, $8. Oh, another D12, okay, for green. I have to like kind of peek them out a little bit so I don't lose which color is where. All right, we got another 12, so that is green, so. All right, D10. And a 1, unfortunate, but that is the way that it is. D6 for blue. And a lot of times I will catch myself just like rolling the same die again. So, okay, we got a 1 again. My head is killing me, I'm sorry. Gotta take the hair down. Where are we? 1, okay. Okay, D10. For pink is a 5. D8 is 4. Okay, I'm gonna put a 1 back and take a 5. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of condensing as we go. So remind me of that. Okay. All right. That way maybe it'll kind of flow a little bit faster. I'm not really sure. I don't know. 1. Okay. A D12 for blue is 3. And that's 5. So we'll go with a 10. I think that might be a little bit easier if we condense as we go. Yeah? What do you think? I think maybe, perhaps a D20. 1? Seriously? No. 12. We'll do 13 because I cheated a little bit. All right. Okay, D4 for pink is here. A 1? Seriously? 1 again? Okay. So 20. All right, T4 for purple is here. And we got a 1. Seriously, come on, man. These 1s are just terrible. Terrible, terrible. See, I'm thinking, oh my god. Oh, yeah, caught that. A 3. All right, so we're finally done. That took, let's see, 26 minutes on my phone. So first we're gonna start with braces. We got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. So 121. Don't know where my, okay. We got 121. Awesome. So next we have our car / safe. So we have, or that's car maintenance and then our safe that we want to get. So we got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13. So 113, and we'll just split that evenly between the two. All right, and next we got our home sinking fund. We got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. Nice. All right, next we have our graduation / garden. And again, we'll split that up evenly. We got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My oldest is a junior this year, so we still have a little bit, we have a whole year to save for her graduation savings. All right, and our last one is for dental. We got 24, did I do braces? Yes, I did. Okay. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 60. Nice. So 160. All right. And that'll be good. So we'll go ahead and make those adjustments in our high yield and all of that fun stuff. And that is it for me today, guys. And as always, I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.